Zaidete. Anyazi kwata. Zaule. Atano genimiro ne fees ziteke walala. Kati nze nkwasa ze tugenda okunywa. Nze gobo kwasa ze zokutereka. Zino ze ziri atano bo mutwalo ziri ziwera. Kati omwana azunga kimubala.
Aka abana banulye mu bala.
Akana ko musiramu.
Banaki. Kale
geno.
Kale geno tu.
Geno tu. Ono nyokutandika omwenge ngoli muto. Ba. Ho bwana.
Akana kajja mu bala.
Zino zezokola tutya
ezokunywa.
Leka tuziteke wansi w'emmeza. Kati ezo zitereke. Ne bwe tuba tubadde ki ne bwe tuba tunywedde ne tukola tutya.
Tutakalagaane.
Hinda kutetunaba tulina okulayira. Kyonna ekituukako.
Mazima ddala.
Ne tusiimuka tutya.
Erinnya y'omwenge.
Agaatano tetugakwata.
Yadde.
Baasi. Waitress!
Tunywako meka?
Tunywako atano geba okuzeeka.
Tunywa ana.
Tunywa atano zino twaziggyeko naawe. Waitress!
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bw'atasalawo.
At your cervix.
Yamuka ku njogereko naawe. Mwina byakunywa jangwa.
Anti gwenzinja uyu.
Malanga jja nange ntudde.
Leete ebyokunywa.
Mwina byakunywa ki?
Tulina ebyokunywa byonna gye baby malawo ebisalawo.
Mwina kinga kujjako mangu omuntu.
Tulina Chevrolet.
Leeta.
Kali kasomanye Chevrolet. Chevrolet si motoka.
Bakoze omwenge.
Are we not going to drink and drive?
You can't.
Inako.
Chevrolet.
Si motoka.
No, bakoze ekikatu bakoze omwenge.
Leeta.
Tulina Tiguan.
Si motoka.
Nayo motoka. Kola boti. Ndetera Chevrolet. Omuleetere Tiguan.
Chevrolet.
Chevrolet.
Okay. It's okay.
So leeta. Okoza wati?
Gwende kuyesabo. Buno buki.
Buno bwe buli tunywa. Bwe bukuba butooti. Bakubirawo. Okanyane kakubirawo.
Heze wande sategeddewo. Chevrolet. That is Chevrolet. Give me Chevrolet.
Niya kwa meka.
Atobuuza olina amagezi. Mubuuza ki? Twazze kusaasaanya. Bw'omanyi entuuyo ze tuyani. Omanyi omusana kutuokyeza mu nnimiro. Chevrolet. Akakula boti. Nono malaga muwa Chevrolet. Emmotoka tuzinywere mu mpalo. Tusoke Chevrolet. Muwa Chevrolet.
Tunywe. Okabe Tiguan.
Tusoke Chevrolet. Then Tiguan. Mukulu. Olaba okumanya abazungu b'amaanyi akuwa omwenge nga kubawunsinga n'okubawunsinga muli mwenyini. Toss.
Emwanyi terimba.
What are the ingredients?
Potassium nitrate.
Add more. One more. One for the road. Bam.
Chevrolet.
A minute.
1922.
One for the road. One for the road. Slowly. I want you to take your time. Slowly. Take your time. Slowly. No, it's okay. Take your time.
Enough. That is Chevrolet 1945.
Chevrolet
1945.
Woman.
Let her chup nene.
Let her nene. Bigger.
We have Katrina Paso.
We need something big.
Paso.
Tiguan.
Yes.
Tiguan.
Before you go.
Paso.
How much?
100K.
Each.
Each tot 100K.
You are joking. You are joking. I knew you were joking. You were jokers. One more for the joke. One more for the joke. One more for the joke.
One more.
Yes.
One more for the joke. But I'm serious.
It's okay. For the
We
joke.
shall see.
I love your character. One for the joke. 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 Aha. Aha. It's okay. Aha. How much is each?
Each is 100K, so that is 5 times. 100 times 5. Each. Mwakamye mirundi etano. Buli katoti ka mitwalo 10. 100K each.
This guy is a good joker.
No, by the way, we are serious. Each. So this is
Bravo.
Let us open name.
paso. What is it? Paso. Paso.
Why, Oko?
I is a joker. Small as it is. Small as it is, can it be 100K?
Huh?
What have you said? What have you money? Hey, let us do our money.
Buli kamu ka 10.
100, he meant 100, each is 100 shilling. Chikumi, tuli munusu lusanvu. In total, we are in 7. Oh, what?
Oh, my baby.
This one is called Tiguan. Yakolebwa Success Motors.
What?
Yes.
Red. You tujye kumisa.
It's okay.
No, you want the whole bottle?
Yes, put it here.
Put it here.
You first give us a tot.
I give a tot.
Yes,
Sample.
A sample.
Sample is.
Sample. This motherfucking boys.
Mbona hemu waragu wafana mtata?
Open. Take your time. This is who? Tiguan. Oh my God. Kalala.
One.
Later, that's why for security purpose. Put it here.
Tiguan 1922 Success Motors. Good.
Where's Ororin?
Is this Tiguan or Paso?
Tiguan.
Ngai, it is like Paso.
It is fuel friendly.
Okay.
Make sure you bring us also new wire.
Okay.
And
How much? Per shot.
Each tot beige. Quasi poses ours.
Let us sit.
Receipt.
Yes. You don't have ladies?
We have ladies.
You don't have ladies?
We have ladies.
Let us sit.
Let us sit. Let us sit.
Kamugamba let us sit.
Lina agambi. Buli kamu kame.
100 shilling. Buli kamu ka 10 katwing $10.
Bwaje omutwalo gwe gugu.
Yeah, my yagala n'omutwalo gwe. Let him enjoy. Kaya kuna like a transport. We have tip. Yes, we have even.
This is a remix. Antonio Sima Geography.
Why?
I'm coming.
Yes, sir.
Let us sit.
Oh, wow. Excuse me.
Excuse-moi.
Linda, what's the was also too?
Gentlemen, Madam Poidati, what is your problem? What you go and do serving?
No, I want that.
Get out of the flame. Get out, idiot.
Rabbi, I got the shit you're making.
How much is shit? Yes, we are the one. How much is shit? Who are you here? Where do you stay? Why are you red?
Hello.
Why are you red? How much?
How much is what?
Are you selling?
Selling what? Oh,
Beer.
beer. Omwe.
A minute. Oyo timwa mugambe tukufula. Wano tebagula.
Bekoza basooka kwekoza.
Yasooka. So couple, we are serious. How much?
No, can't you not get your name? Zino said what was it that way?
Kati wewe unyo olusanvu.
How much?
What is this? What you not chichi?
Jako tuwe balance transport waffe. Ate naawe ojjireko. Ziri mmeka?
Nganda wasoma kutoto wa once.
Amugira sibu badde mumeka?
Katulabe?
Amugira sibu badde mumeka? Kubanga ndabanga.
We were around.
Ana?
Zezino?
Ana?
Yes, like what?
No, chimanyi mbadde manyoli byangamba tebitegereka bulungi nti.
I have that catch kumi.
Gwani?
Vivi.
Vivi?
Yes, Vivi. V. The V.
Shokodde.
Dayo nzoli kutegera. Oye munaffe gwe tusobola okugamba.
Anti munayenze ekola receipt ate kati aŋŋambye obadde ajja mu kawunta.
Byonna
Ati ajja mu kawunta atwala omwenge. Ati omwenge gwatutte mungi kwa bbeeyi. Muyite.
Lwaki baddira abawala bali so ugly? Ogamba otya muno ya bukadde busatu. How?
Excuse me, sir.
Gori musiba nagamba omwenge gwa mitwalo 8.
No, nabagaye tuna Chevrolet, tuna Tiguan, twakayinza toyira tuna person escalate. Ne musabati.
Let us be brief. Kano kameka.
Kamitwalo 10 buli kamu.
Muwe.
Kikumi.
Tetuka.
Emitwalo 10.
Muwe.
Akali Chevrolet kwa mwanya de mitwalo 10 buli kamu tegeze mitwalo 2 times 5
million.
Then
Ogamba million translate and make.
Then
how much do you think we came with?
Andategedde.
Can you spend beyond your budget?
That is a surplus already.
You have drunk beyond your budget.
So what is your say?
Kati million emu kuzatudde Tiguan 1945. That is very, very crucial. Tiguan 1945 success motors a gundi. Muli toti ya mitwala 2. Je mitwala na so 1.4.
Saka jika mbekisega.
Hai wendi jangu.
Jangu akatu.
Nange nzije.
Bera. Msitula kuno kuguru katu.
Lindako.
Kukwata.
Lindako.
Kunyweza.
Ate nkugeze kuki.
Njagala nkuba akavubuka ako takisini makisado. Mkwasanga kwe.
Wetereze.
Taxi. Balancing bulungi. Which you thought is 100.
Korabot tumuweko ze tuyina.
Yo musoka musasule.
Jayo kati aniasa.
Mwina na zende.
Mwezo.
Bara.
Toto
Korabot gamba boss tuja kudencha.
Bara shakamba.
Shakamba kwa tugende tuvo.
No, you're not coming. First wait. Bouncer.
Gwena sema yo kuba yeba sena kati. Iromu yita?
Sese ngatala.
Yangu ya sente yangu ya kaunta ekalide.
Ko basi mukubulako. Kubulako.
Amkai.
Kubulako emitwalo 8.
8. Nayo uli ngari jonsoke.
Kubulako 8.
Kwa gendo balire.
Nyo muda
gendo balire sikuba kagirasi bwe mwenkana. Balire liyo tumala kedembe liyo kunywa. Dawali what?
Kubulako 3.5.
Katwete tinkanye. Kasoke tukuba machine.
Yes, let's make some calls. Niko tuinzo kubi.
Omanisha tugenda okora. Tuve wano.
Ati watulina okuyita wekali.
Ninayo erize ngendo leeta. Nina 5.
Sorry nage mazima. Where should we pass? This way there is a woman. The other way there is an idiot.
A woman we can rape her.
Jangu, there is a solution. Now you always have a solution for every problem, quarter. Because omuganda agamba kyolina kyekikutaasa jamu engoye zilopusibo zigatta nezo. How much? Short man.
Shorty bahu.
Come. So, I was of the view, they are brand new.
They are made from Success Motors.
Yes.
1995.
Take the gumboots.
1685.
2013. Tell you new one.
But this don't Chris but this was a small.
Is it okay? Say the boots. We can go.
You know, muzamba dem.
You know, take a decision. It's okay. It's okay.
Mwongere
mpale jayagala kutranga yamba discard.
Chimara. Shijam.
Mpale.
Kurako sent. Bouncer.
They cannot call the bounce. What is the problem? Don't jump call a man. You can shot.
Be ready.
Changana be masamu mpale yo nawe tronkaya.
Gwezo shock scissors adi dasirate.
And the shock can say what jam. They move, no problem. Hechiri sorry na cheskutrasa.
Karo wala shoka we tunde wenna. Bota maranga utandika kunji.
Yes.
Obadde wotalingikani.
I can go.
Kino kisigaze.
I can go. Is this okay? Temuri.
Abrahamic.
Now this is one. Later. Now that is better. Bouncer. Mano batwale ebweru.
Soko jikata. Linda kanyama. Let us sort ourselves. We are brothers. This guy. How much is that lady? It's just got him set a number. Who can I chicken the size? Mkwaka na komo.